Tell me what you're doing.
I'm doing sticking candies on.
Oh yeah, what are we making?
That's a house.
A gingerbread house?
Yep,
What's it called?
cracker. We're making a graham cracker.
A graham cracker house?
Yeah, we can be out ones. Those one. Sorry, I didn't make them.
Let's see the spectacular sides. Oh wow. Oh my goodness, wow.
I make two.
You do? Gray decorated this top part here.
I picked up this part. Oh!
Whoa, isn't it crazy good?
Yeah.
And now they're working on the back.
Looks,
Brooksy did the roof all like this. Oh, what are you doing?
Mama, I need to do this part now.
I think you've already done this part.
Yep, but we need to do this now.
Oh yeah?
Mama,
Where else are you going to put them? They're all filled up.
but not filled up. See, there's something missing.
Where? Where's it missing?
I told her, Mom. Down the bottom.
Right there?
Yep.
Okay, but I think Kenna thinks, let's ask Kenna. How does the front look, Kenna?
Good.
Is it missing anything?
Yep. Well, yes. Mama, yes, Mom. And then maybe we could put...
Gray wants something under there. What if, Gregory, what if you decorate the back?
Look, you can... Look, this is what we can do. Mom, we can put a little icing on here, and we can stick that little candy on.
Here's some.
Take it.
Ah.
Hey, guys, I have a great idea. Gregory, come here.
Oh, good job. And you made a doorknob. I love it.
Mama.
Yes.
What?
Cover your mouth.
I'm over here making something for Mom.
You're making something for me.
Yeah.
What do you, look at me.
What?
What are you making for me?
Something's missing. It goes, something just comes out here.
Are we going to live in this house?
No, that's for you, Mom. That's
For me?
Yes.
Am I going to live in there?
Yeah. Exactly.
Or am I going to eat it?
We have to make a little gingerbread. All of those candies. Mom, it's for a ginger house.
It's for a ginger house?
It's for you for a ginger house.
What's your favorite candy?
Mama,
No, we're not making
Mama,
gingerbread.
for those, I like those.
You do?
And those things. I really want to eat those, but when I can't eat them.
Nope, we can't eat them.
Mama, take you on it. Mama, get that finger.